Hey guys, welcome to Unacademy OPSC channel. Good evening to all. So today's topic is Indian Judiciary. We'll see important questions in this session from Indian Judiciary. That is questions related to Supreme Court, High Court, the constitutional provisions related to judiciary. Before we start, let's have a brief introduction about an academy. What is an academy? What are the benefits of joining an academy? What are the courses that we have launched recently? So first of all, Unacademy is the largest learning platform in India, which is helping shaping the millions of aspirants their dreams, and it is fulfilling the aspirations and the dreams of learners by channelizing, by making the education affordable, accessible. First of all, you can prepare for all types of government exams sitting at your own place. You can watch free live classes, and you can also subscribe to the plus courses, which have a plus variant. We have a course, special category of course, that is called plus course. If you are joining plus course, you can access all the courses, all the topics as per the syllabus. You can complete the whole syllabus, and you can also get quick revision course, fast track revision batch courses, fundamental batch courses. Again, also you will have test series, PDFs, notes, etc. on Unacademy Plus only. So if you have not yet subscribed to Unacademy Plus, then join, subscribe today to get more value-added lessons, courses for your exam. So use my referral code Baishnab and get 10% discount. If you are using this code, you will get 10% off on the subscription for plus courses. Other than that, if you want to access the free live classes, that also you can do. Just follow Unacademy learning app रे आपण install करिक Unacademy learning app रो free live class देखि परिबे every day at 10 PM. You can also watch my free live classes. Also you can watch classes from all educators. So we have 30 plus sessions every day conducted free of cost, absolutely free live classes. 30 plus sessions are conducted every day. So we have numerous classes. Okay, you can watch it, you can make the most out of it. We have all the live and structured courses you'll get on the plus, lessons by top educators, weekly quiz outline sessions. And we have also another benefit that you'll get unlimited access to the courses from top educators, both live and recorded courses you'll have. And in addition to that, what are the batch courses that we are currently launching? We have launched recently batch courses that includes other foundation course for OCS with NCERT batch, 5th batch, 21st July strategy, Missile OCS prelims 2021 first track revision batch, which has also started from 22nd July. That means very recently. Manthan complete course for B.Ed exam batch 6th. We have started from 23rd July. We have another batch called Samarthya fundamental course for ASO that we have started from 26th of July, and a Manthan batch, that is complete batch course for B.Ed exam, that we have started in from 28th July. Okay. So if you want to access all these courses, just take one subscription, and only with the one subscription you can get full courses from all educators for all type of exams. You will find the courses. We have two types of courses on this platform, Unacademy free live class and plus courses. The difference between these two is that you will get complete coverage of the syllabus in class only. You get complete unlimited practice test, weekly quiz, test series, PDF notes, study material, and regular outline sessions. All these features are accessible, available only on Plus. That is the unique advantage. तो OPSC सब्सक्रिप्शन और बेनिफिट होची कि आपको बहुत कम very very low price रे आपण वर्ष से 2 वर्ष पर्यंत कोर्स देखि पारिबे. The option choice is given. You have 12 months subscription, you have 24 months. You have also option for 6 months. You have also option for 3 months, 1 month. But it is recommended to go for long-term plan because your cost will get reduced drastically, significantly. You have to pay less. You have to pay very, very less for 12 months. But for 1 month, see, you are paying just 1260. If you take like this 1 month, for 12 months you are paying more than 12,000. But if you take one-time subscription for 12 months, it is 6,300. 24 months, again the fee will get reduced. You will get just at 7,560, 2 years course. Very low price. The plus of features from learn from the top educators. Complete exam ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ prepare କରିପାରିବେ. Regular routine session, weekly free mock test, free test series, adjusting object syllabus. There are additional features on plus as well. We have limited offer. If you take 24-month subscription, that is 2 years subscription, then you get additional 3 months free of cost. If you take 2 months subscription, then you are getting 2 months free. Additional, these are additional in addition to this. So daily tests also we are conducting by these educators. You can also access the test series. And price hike coming soon, attention. So don't wait for this price hike. Subscribe now or today to avoid such price hike in near future. And also you will get unlimited access for the courses till your subscription period is valid, unrestricted, or you are not having any restriction, not having any difficulty in accessing the course at this price. So at very low price you can access the course for 2 years. That is the uniqueness of Unacademy, that education is affordable and accessible to all. So let's start today's topic. Just announcement related to Unacademy. This is your Unacademy. Make the most out of it. So हम कौन देखिबा किस जुडिशियल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस देखिबा जो माने वीडियो देखुछन लाइक करंतु शेयर करंतु सब्सक्राइब करंतु फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस और फर्दर वीडियो और क्लासेस एंड सेशंस. So who is the final interpreter of our constitution? Who is the final interpreter of our constitution? K. Final interpreter of our constitution K. Who is the final interpreter of our constitution? Basically, final interpreter of constitution law, judiciary, government, executive, legislature. We have 3 organs of the government: legislative, executive, judiciary. Government are the interpret. The legislative are come to formulate laws. Executive are come to implement those laws made by the legislature. Judiciary come to check whether the laws made by the legislature or executive, sometimes delegated legislation is there, whether these laws are in line with the constitutional guidelines or not. If the laws made by the legislature or executive violates the constitutional guidelines or provisions, then judiciary will strike down the law and make the law null and void. Ultra virus. Judiciary will make the law ultra virus. That means we have, so law is invalid. The judiciary ultimately protecting the constitution, finally interpreting the constitution. Any ambiguity in the constitution, if you find, then judiciary is referred. The judiciary can interpret the constitution and judiciary can clarify the ambiguity or doubt that arises while understanding the text, any provision of the constitution. It is the judiciary who will finally interpret the constitution. So what is the doctrine of separation of power was systematically formulated. What is doctrine of separation of power? हम जो देखिए एग्जीक्यूटिव फंक्शन अलग, लेजिस्लेटिव फंक्शन अलग, जुडिशियल फंक्शन अलग. तो यहाँ भीतर ये जो सेपरेशन कराची पावर, actually this doctrine of separation of power was systematically formulated by whom? Who gave this separation of power? Plato, Montesquieu, Daisy, Aristotle. देखो एक जो separation of power के देते हैं, question number 2. Who gave the theory of separation of power? The separation of power was given by Montesquieu, right? के देते हैं. Montesquieu was given systematically. The separation of power was formulated by Montesquieu. Good. Who defined jurisprudence as the formal science of positive law? So, the answer is jurisprudence as the formal science of positive law that was defined by Holland. Okay, that is defined by Holland. How can the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India be increased? The judges केमिति बढ़ी परिवे Supreme Court judges में बढ़ी परिवा by presidential notification, by parliamentary act, by an amendment of the constitution, by representation from the Supreme Court. How can you increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court? So you can increase the number of judges. Recently the number of judges हमरो जो बढ़ी थी, the EOC that can be done by parliamentary act. The number of judges in the Supreme Court can be increased only by a parliamentary act. Number of judges bill pass increase over. Okay. So number of judges. Which among the following is the correct age of retirement of judges of Supreme Court? Sometimes this type of question is asked. What is the correct age of retirement age of Supreme Court judges? The retirement age of the Supreme Court judges is 58, 60 years, 62, 65. What is the answer? Retirement age कितना हो? Judge of Supreme Court करो. So retirement age is 65, right? Supreme Court judge. The High Court judge पचाने 62. They are also lobbying for 65 to increase the age, retirement age. The 62 and High Court judges and 65 Supreme Court judges. Okay. Which one of the following categories of disputes is excluded from the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? First of Supreme Court have different type of jurisdiction. One is original, advisory, appellate, constitutional, so various rate jurisdiction. So different types of jurisdictions are there. So what comes under original jurisdiction? This is the question. What comes under original jurisdiction? Between a government of India and one or more states, between two or more states inter se, between residents of two or more states, between the government of India and one or more states on one side and one or more states on the other. So which of the following category is excluded from original jurisdiction of Supreme Court? A, B, C, D भितर कोटा original jurisdiction रे नहीं. Supreme Court रा original jurisdiction A, B, C, D भितर कोटा नहीं. Supreme Court रा original jurisdiction भितर A, B, C, D भितर कोटा नहीं. Which of the following is not an original jurisdiction? देखो residents भितर original jurisdiction होगा नहीं. Resident भितर original jurisdiction तो adapted jurisdiction होगा. So between residents of two or more states will not fall under original jurisdiction. Okay, तो resident भितर original jurisdiction होगा नहीं. Who can extend the jurisdiction of a high court? High court or jurisdiction के बारे में Parliament of India, no doubt. Parliament can increase or extend the jurisdiction of high court. So which of the following state does not have a high court? को state or high court नहीं होगा. High court नहीं को state है. Mizoram, Goa, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. These states don't have a high court. So Nagaland is there. Nagaland does not have a high court. Mizoram. Which of the following state does not have a high court? That is Nagaland. The Supreme Court of India is different from its counterpart, that is Supreme Court of USA. US Federal Court of India Supreme Court by US जो रहती है हमारा apex court और Indian apex court. There difference कौन? Difference होची कि guardian of the constitution, okay, correct, both are advisory role. No, India Supreme Court plays an advisory role, Article 153, 43. But US Supreme Court does not have such type of jurisdiction. Okay, Indian Supreme Court enjoys advisory role. Okay, it has its advisory role, but it does not have. I know that US Supreme Court does not have the advisory role. The advisory role is different. Which of the following article talks about establishment of the Supreme Court? 176, 153, 124, 324. देखो 124 होची ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट 124 आर्टिकल 1 सर which article talks about organization of Supreme Court? That is 124. 124 article talks about the establishment of Supreme Court in India. So answer is C. So the power of judicial review means the power of Supreme Court to a question OPSC Astra UPSC based. So what is the meaning of judicial review? Power of judicial review. So power of judicial review is set aside in executive decision if it is against a statutory law, set aside in provision of law if it is contrary to the fundamental rights. Sound problem. Sound take as you just refresh at your end. Set aside any provision of law if it is contrary to the fundamental rights. Examine constitution of dekha are you able to see it? Are you able to see these things? Answer this question. Question number 11. Question number 11 answer Pratap. Set aside any provision of law if it is contrary to the fundamental rights. Examine constitutional validity of any administrative action as well as legislative provision and strike it down if not found in accordance with the constitutional provisions. Review its own. Okay, answer this question. Try to answer. Review its decisions or decisions of any court or tribunal within the territory of India. कौन होगा judicial review माने कौन? What is the meaning of judicial review? Judicial review माने कौन बुझो? OPSC last रस्तिला UPSC भी question आगुरु पचारी सर्च. So what is the meaning of judicial review? What is the meaning of judicial review? Answer the question. Very good. चार्ट ऑप्शन अछि कोड आंसर हो जाय जुडिशियल रिव्यू कोन जुडिशियल उचा जुडिशियल कोन जुडिशियल कोन जुडिशियल इज ऑर्गन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट जुडिशियल गुड ऑर्गन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट हाई कोर्ट इंडिया हैज ए integrated form of judicial system. This judicial review कोन what is this is a cardinal feature of Indian judiciary. Okay, it is a cardinal feature of our constitution. It is a basic structure of our constitution. So judicial review means what? ABCD chart option tum pakar achi. Try to answer ABCD. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to Unacademy Plus, join Unacademy Plus course so that you can watch all the lessons, topics as per the latest pattern of the exam, syllabus, everything will cover. Or watch free live classes only on Unacademy. Okay. तो जुडिशियल रिव्यू माने कौन? जुडिशियल रिव्यू माने होची सी आंसर. बुझि पाइलो कथा? जुडिशियल रिव्यू माने कौन हो? सी आंसर कौन जुडिशियल रिव्यू माने? सी हो. सी माने कौन? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैलिडिटी को देखियो. कौन सी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैलिडिटी लॉ रो अछि कि नहीं? लेजिस्लेटिव प्रोविजंस फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्शंस, all these things are aligning with the constitutional guidelines, constitutional provisions or not. If they are not, then those laws will be struck down if not found in accordance with the constitutional guidelines. Which by law? Constitutional validity check out administrative action or legislative actions of both executive and legislative. सेमानकर decision actions वा जो law, whether those laws are congruent with the constitutional provisions or not. If their actions or decisions or their policies are found to be incongruent or found to be uh, violative of the constitutional rules, guidelines, then Supreme Court will strike it down. That is called judicial review. बुझिपार नहीं बताओ. Try to answer this. Attempt the questions, answers. The C answer of judicial review. So finally, the read jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India under Article 32 of the Constitution of India is not wider than that of read jurisdiction of the High Court under Article 226, because the High Courts may exercise this power in relation to dash. Simple a question कौन पूछी 32 और 226 रे root jurisdiction कथा कहछि read jurisdiction fundamental right violate हेले तमे judiciary Supreme Court जाई परियो 32 आर्टिकल ले High Court जाई परियो 226 आर्टिकल ले से पूछी 32 और 226 भितर wider power कहा High Court एनजे को अधिक power under 226 ना Supreme Court एन exercise को अधिक power under article 32. तो जदि High Court करूचे High Court normally करे exercise more power in relation to what? Civil and criminal matters, fundamental and other legal rights, fundamental rights in matters in appeals, fundamental rights in state matters. Go. Answer that. The read jurisdiction of Supreme Court is not wider than the read jurisdiction of High Court. High Court or read jurisdiction adhika power achi, wider achi than the Supreme Court or read jurisdiction. In the case of what? In case of this, in case of violation of fundamental rights and other legal rights as well, you can approach High Court. But only in case of violation of fundamental right, you can approach Supreme Court. That is Article 32, only in the case of fundamental right. But 226 can be exercised, can be used both in case of fundamental and other legal rights as well. So in this context, the High Court exercises more power, read jurisdiction than the Supreme Court. So 226 is more wider or wider than 32. Which way now? So that's all for today. I got a question actually. देखो jurisdiction अच्छी एपटे type of cases. Appellate jurisdiction acts of record, act as a court of record, and also has the power to review its own government, own judgment data. Power to review its own judgment. Okay. Advisory jurisdiction, any question of law or fact of public importance, referred. Miscellaneous power, civil, criminal, constitutional cases. Original jurisdiction, act as a federal court. The ABCD, referred 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the correct match for this? Can you answer any one of you who are attending? So it is judgment, review its own judgment, government matter. Answer the देखो अपील जुरिस्डिक्शन माने अपील करियो सिविल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल और क्रिमिनल केस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल केस रे तो ये हो 3 ये 3 हो ना ये 3 एडवाइजरी जुरिस्डिक्शन रे कोन हो एनी क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ और फैक्ट ऑफ पब्लिक इंपोर्टेंस रेफर्ड should be over 2 a3 b2 कोटे छि एटे छि देखो a रे छि a3 b2 C हबो miscellaneous power हबो 1 act as a court of record and also has the power to review its own judgment. That is miscellaneous power. The original jurisdiction कौन हबो act as a federal court. Federal court कौन state with a dispute अछि कि state and center on one hand and other states are on other hand means state with a dispute है state center on one hand and state on the other hand किंबा इजो देखि दिले original jurisdiction सेटा होची original jurisdiction जीवो बुझि पाइलो तो एटा आंसर कोन ए हो a b a3 बुझि पाइलो a3 b2 c1 d4 बुझिले नै तो जुडिशियल इतला किछरा क्वेश्चंस तो पूरा कोर्स देखिए अनएकेडमी को फॉलो करते आपको अनएकेडमी आप फॉलो करके क्लास देखते अनएकेडमी आपको फॉलो करने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक शेयर कराई लिंक रे क्लिक करके आप अनएकेडमी रे क्लास देखि परिबे फ्री लाइव क्लास ता सहित प्लस रे जॉइन कर परिबे सो अनएकेडमी इज लॉन्चिंग मेनी कोर्सेस फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द लर्नर्स who are preparing for government exams, so don't miss this chance. Hello, review some judgment. बुझिपारे कि बुझिपारे ने ओरिजिनल जुरिस्डिक्शन कौन ओरिजिनल जुरिस्डिक्शन पड़ेगा ये देखो between the government of India and one or more states between two or more states between the government of India and one or more state on one side and one or more states on the other side. So D को छाड़ी C को छाड़ी बुझिपारे C is not the original jurisdiction. C टा होची normal appellate C टा तो normal residents भीतर original jurisdiction आसीबने state भीतर हेले federation भीतर जदि किसी dispute हुए ताला original jurisdiction as well as C or it answer C को छाड़ी की because which is excluded from the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. C is not a original jurisdiction. A original jurisdiction B D but C is not. बुझिपारे नहीं not purchased then C can answer. That's these are the few questions from judiciary part we have discussed and it's a 20-minute session. Okay, you cannot elaborate on these topics. So try to follow Unacademy Learning App as I always suggest, which where you will get comprehensive coverage of the detailed course, comprehensive coverage of all the topics that is required for your exam. So utilize this Unacademy Learning App. Follow Unacademy app Google Play Store Unacademy Learning App install करके class अपना लिख पाएंगे. Okay. So do follow it. So video देखिए अपने subscribe करो तो further notification पाए अपने class से Unacademy OPSC को subscribe करो तो और like करो तो share करो. Thank you. That's all for today. All the best. Take care. Stay tuned.